Hello and welcome to the Outsourcing AI channel. Hey, this is Nusrat. Look at this channel right here. This channel has 3.9 million subscribers. He is uploading videos every day and every video gets millions of views. Now let's look at their social blade. His earnings until $84,000 per month and until $1 million in every year. Now look at another channel named Fox Recap. This channel has 1.64 million subscribers and his every video gets millions of views. If I talk about his earnings here, his earnings until $22,000 per month and till $274 in every year. Impressive, right? All these channels are monetized, raking in thousands of dollars from YouTube. But what's their secret? They're just uploading movie clips and narrating the entire film in their videos with voiceovers. The impressive part is that their channels are monetized, meaning they can upload movies without facing copyright issues and make significant earnings. However, it's important to remember that directly uploading complete movies to YouTube is prohibited. Doing so could lead to YouTube removing your video or potentially your entire channel, so don't do this. Now we are going to make this explanation videos easily and quickly by AI in just 4 steps. Firstly, we require a movie download from the internet. Numerous websites are available, such as SD Movie Point, TinyDL, and Fmovie. From these platforms, you can download any movie and store it on your laptop. In my case, I've already downloaded the movie Bermuda Triangle. Apologies, it's not a trending movie, but if you prefer trending ones, you can easily find them online. Now, we have our movie ready to go. We're in need of a video script now. I've prepared 3 script writing options for you to choose from. Firstly, consider watching the entire movie yourself. If you're passionate about films or crafting video explanations, watching the entire movie. Watch the complete movie. After watching the complete movie, you can write a fresh and unique script in your own words. Trust me, this method ensures the safest script creation process. This is the best option. So if you want, you can follow this method. Another method involves using a Chat GPT to write scripts. Simply prompt the Chat GPT with a request to write a complete explanation of the movie Bermuda Triangle within a minute. However, this approach may not be effective for all movies, especially newer releases, as the Chat GPT might lack data on them. If you're unable to get assistance for a newly released movie, you can resort to method number 3. Now go to this site called IMDb and search for the movie name. Once you've found it, scroll down to locate the storyline section. Click on the plot synopsis to access the complete story of the movie. You can use this synopsis as inspiration for your video explanation script, but avoid direct copying and pasting. Instead, consider making changes or rephrasing the content using a powerful article rewriting tool like ChatGPT. This tool is both affordable and effective. You can find the link to it in the description below. Write, please rewrite the article, and ChatGPT write the full story. Alright, we've finished the initial script writing phase. Now step 2. Recording the voiceover. If you're comfortable, record your own voice. However, if the quality isn't up to par, consider using AI voiceover technology like Elevan Labs.io to create professional-grade voiceovers. This AI has free plan and budget-friendly plan both. We'll be using this incredible AI tool to begin navigate to the speech synthesis section in Elevan Labs, so log in by Gmail. Set the settings. Select language. Click on the first bar to explore a variety of pre-made voices. Take your time listening to each one and choose the voice that resonates with you. Remember the choice of voice plays a significant role in engaging your audience, so pick the voice that best reflects the tone. In text option, copy-paste the full script and click on Generate. Repeat this process for all parts of the script. Ensure that the audio file doesn't exceed 2 minutes. If needed, generate the audio in 2 or 3 segments. Here's the exciting outcome.
Hello, young learners. Welcome to our colorful world of learning and fun.
Okay, our second step voiceover is completed. Third step is video editing, the most important step. And remember, the real game changer is video editing, because you cannot upload the full movie. Besides, we need to handle copyright claim, copyright strike through skillful editing techniques. Here I am using CapCut. You can use any video editor. I am using CapCut because it is free and available on both PC and mobile. Just download CapCut and install it on your laptop. Now import the full movie here. After importing the entire movie, you first have to remove the movie's original sound. After this, you have to cut the scenes from the movie according to your script. You have to match the movie clips and voiceover perfectly. According to your script, keep in mind that each video clip should not exceed a duration of 3 to 5 seconds. I mean, do not use any long clip more than 5 seconds. This strategy can protect you against YouTube copyright issues. This might require some time, but if you've already watched the entire movie, you should be able to complete this task efficiently in minimum amount of time. If you use the CapCut Pro version, you can get many effects, excellent transitions, auto caption, visual effects, and copyright-free background music. Okay, in final step, change color grade, add effects, add caption. All these can different your video from original video. Step 4. Video thumbnail making. Start by capturing a screenshot from the movie for the thumbnail. Then, proceed to Canva and upload the screenshot. Adjust the image as needed and add a compelling title directly onto the photo. Remember not to include the movie's name in the title or description, as this the copyright claim will come quickly. Instead, craft the title and description based on the story without explicitly mentioning the movie. You also have the option to seek assistance from ChatGPT to craft your title and description. Here I choose this title. Now upload the video. Set title and description. Here's the final look at our latest video. So in this way you can easily make movie explanation videos. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more video. Until next time, check out our suggested video where we delve into an innovative, faceless method to earn money.